Hello everyone, how to write X square in Google Docs. So let's start the first open your Google document. So here I show you two different way you can write X square in Google document. So let's start. So first way, type here X, then 2, select the 2, go to the format tab, click on the text, then click on the superscript, and that's it. Here you can see X square is typed. And the second way, I just remove this. And the second way, go to the View tab, click on the Show Equation toolbar, and click on the New Equation. And here you can see the small box is added. Add the backslash and enter here superscript. So enter here superscript. Then paste the space bar. Now enter the X, right arrow, press the 2. That's it. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.